with faith and love with Lord Jesus. I want to say God bless Israel, God bless Philippines, God bless Korea, God bless Hong Kong, God bless United States of America, God bless United Kingdom, God bless Africa, God bless Australia, God bless Middle East, God bless all nations, God bless the whole world and the entire universe. May God bless or power us all now and forevermore every day. Thanks, Heaven. Thanks, Heaven, for the past, present, and future. Thank God, I love you. Good luck.